Time to look at the line plots. Let's first of all load the packages again. Then we'll get data sets that are related to this week. We're going to be focusing on the total sales over time data. So that's total sales over time data. So this is a data set that has been manipulated and created to look at the total quantities sold over time of all our products. All products that we sold, we're not particular about any now. This is just a demonstration. Then we're going to look at how the quantities of our product vary over time. Okay, so now let's look at the documentation before we move further. So this function is another family of geometry. So we have the geom underscore line, which connects the path for all our points of the variables on the y-axis. So basically what we use line plots is to look at changes over time. That's mostly what we use them for. So this is what we're going to do now. We're looking at the total quantity sold over time. We have our data, that is the total sales over time data. Then we're looking at putting on the x-axis the start transaction time. So if you look at our data set, we have only two variables here, two columns, the start transaction time and the total quantity. So, and now on the y-axis, we're going to put the total quantity. With this, we're going to be able to create the default ggplot object. So we have the total quantity on the y-axis and the start transaction time on the x-axis. So I'm going to link that using the plus sign with the geom underscore line function to create our line plots. So you can see there is variation or changes over time. Days, there's some days that we have high number of products sold and some that are very, very low. And we can see all this variation and make some senses out of it or get insights, and we'll be able to see there are some peaks that we're having here and make even predictions based on what we have. We can even infer about what is happening at what time, during which month, and all this. So this is black and white. We can add more information to it. So for this session, we're just going to add color. So we add the color and we have something blue. So this is kind of much more beautiful. So I believe we're getting a grip of visualization in R. I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about another geometry. Thank you.